Hi friends. Okay, so we are going to talk about, this is our math for today, and we're going to talk about patterning. But what you need today is, if you go to your math kit that you guys picked up, I want you to find the sheets that look like this, okay? And then once you find them, we're going to talk about patterns today, but it's also going to be hard work for our fingers. It's also going to kind of be fine motor, because what I'm going to ask you to do is use your working fingers and take one of these sheets and punch out all of these shapes. Do you see this was all these yellow shapes? They were in here, and I used my fingers and I punched through them and I pulled them out one by one. And use your fingers like this again to get the red shapes too. Okay, and those are what we're going to use today, unless you are a super duper pattern builder and you want to use a third color for your pattern. You can do that. Okay, but do you see now I used my working fingers, I got all my yellow shapes out, and I got all of my red shapes out. Okay, so now I'm going to tilt the camera down a little bit and show you. Move my cord there for my microphone. Now, here's the cool thing about the red ones. If you put the red patterns, the red shapes together like this, look at that. They make the same shape as the yellow one. So you can either put your two reds together like that so that they look the same as yellow, or you can just use the half piece, because really what we're talking about is a pattern today. And remember, patterns are things that you know how they go. You know what's going to come next. So I'm just going to use the half patterns. I'm going to sort. We've also talked about sorting. I'm going to sort my colors into reds and yellows. Okay, do you see how I sorted them? They were all mixed up, and then I got them organized. So I sorted them first. Then I'm going to make this pattern. I'm going to go yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. What do you think might come next? Here, let me move these closer so you can see. So it goes yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Which one should come next? If you said yellow, you were right. That is a pattern because it does the same thing time and time again. Okay? Now, like I said, if you want to extend on this pattern or make it harder, you could put another color in, or you could do it like this. You could say yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow, and then what would come next? Would it be another yellow or red? Okay, but these are just extenders. If you get the pattern, by the way, it would be another red, because our pattern would go yellow, yellow, red, yellow, yellow, red. What would come next? Yeah. Before you move on to these harder patterns, make sure you can get a red, yellow pattern. And if you use these shapes, that's the pattern you'll have. But remember, if you can do extra ones, feel free to do that too. But also work your working fingers, sort, pattern, all kinds of good, cool things today. Thanks, friends, for your hard work. Have a good day.